Are you tired of making compromises when it comes to your large format prints? Do your architectural plans, engineering schematics, or vibrant marketing posters lack that crisp detail and professional punch? If you're nodding your head, then you know the struggle of finding a printing solution that truly meets the demands of your creative or technical work. Well, today, we're diving deep into a game changer that promises to not only meet but exceed those expectations: the new Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300 color printer plotter, bundled with a complete set of ink tanks and a box of premium CES imaging paper. This isn't just a printer, it's a comprehensive solution designed to elevate your output and streamline your workflow. Let's talk about the heart of this system, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300 itself. As a professional color printer plotter, it's engineered for precision, speed, and stunning visual fidelity. For architects and engineers, this means incredibly accurate line drawings, intricate details rendered perfectly, and consistent color reproduction across all your CAD and GIS projects. But its capabilities extend far beyond technical drawings. Graphic designers and marketing professionals will revel in the TM-300's ability to produce vibrant, eye-catching posters, banners, and presentations with rich, consistent colors and sharp text. The included set of Canon ink tanks ensures you're ready to print high volumes right out of the box, and the specially selected CES imaging paper is optimized to work flawlessly with the TM-300, guaranteeing optimal print quality and longevity for every project. This complete package means you're not just buying a machine, you're investing in a professional-grade printing ecosystem that delivers unparalleled results. Now, let's address an often overlooked but crucial aspect of office equipment: noise. Traditional large-format plotters can be notoriously loud, turning your workspace into a cacophony of whirring and grinding. This is where the imagePROGRAF TM-300 truly shines. Canon has engineered this plotter for remarkably quiet operation, making it one of the quietest large-format printers on the market. Imagine a professional environment where your plotter can operate in the background without disrupting phone calls, client meetings, or your team's concentration. This significant reduction in operational noise translates directly into a more productive, pleasant, and professional workspace. It's a subtle yet powerful benefit that genuinely improves the daily experience for everyone in the vicinity, allowing you and your team to focus on what truly matters: your work. One of the most compelling aspects of this particular bundle is who you're buying it from: CES Imaging, a Canon Platinum reseller. What does this mean for you, the user? It signifies the highest level of partnership and trust between Canon and CES Imaging. As a Platinum reseller, CES Imaging possesses an unparalleled depth of product knowledge, ensuring that the bundle you receive is not only perfectly configured but also backed by expert advice and support. You're not just getting a product, you're gaining access to a team that understands your needs, can offer tailored solutions, and provides exceptional pre-sales and post-sales service. This distinction offers incredible peace of mind, knowing that your investment is supported by a reputable, knowledgeable, and factory-authorized partner dedicated to your success. It's about more than just a sale, it's about a relationship built on expertise and reliability. And speaking of peace of mind, let's talk about the 2-year on-site warranty that comes with this package. For professional-grade equipment, this is an absolute game-changer. In the unlikely event of an issue, an authorized technician will come directly to your location to diagnose and resolve the problem. Think about the incredible value of this: no need to package up a large, heavy plotter, arrange for shipping, or endure lengthy downtime while your critical equipment is off-site. Your business continuity is preserved, and your workflow remains uninterrupted. A 2-year warranty demonstrates Canon's confidence in the TM-300's durability and reliability, and the on-site service minimizes disruption to your operations. This level of comprehensive support ensures your investment is protected and your team can stay focused on delivering their best work. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300 with a set of ink tanks and a box of CES imaging paper isn't just another printer, it's a meticulously curated professional printing solution. From its stunning print quality and quiet operation to the unwavering support of a Canon Platinum reseller and an industry-leading 2-year on-site warranty, every aspect is designed to empower you to produce exceptional results with confidence and efficiency. If you're ready to elevate your professional output, minimize downtime, and invest in a reliable, high-performance large-format printing system, then this is the package you've been waiting for. Don't settle for anything less than professional excellence. Find the link to learn more and purchase the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300 bundle in the description below. If you found this review helpful, please give us a like, subscribe for more expert tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive.